What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new vlog. Today is UFC Islam Makhachev versus Garry. So right now I'm on the belt heading to Queens to go to my friend Larry's house. We're also thinking about putting up some steaks on the grill and have a good night out. And my friend Pavel, he's also coming back from San Francisco. So we're also gonna pick him up later today. So first thing first, we're heading to Larry's house. And then, and then we're gonna go to Tashkent, get some meat. We like meat. So we're gonna get some meat and boom, we're gonna pick up Pavel and then we're gonna watch UFC together. Oh, we just picked up Larry. Apparently the place we're trying to buy the meat for the steaks is a bit far and these boys don't wanna get there. So we're debating either to get the meat for steaks or you wanna get the Trinidadian doubles. I think doubles will hit. I've been wanting to try for quite some time. Larry, you wanna try doubles?
If we get the doubles, the place might close.
What time does it close?
Tashkent closes at 10.
So what do you wanna, you want steaks? You wanna get there?
I mean, steak would have more on the grill.
Pablo's.
You got a light?
10:30 sharp, huh? Because Pablo's gonna land at 9:38. So you said be there by 10:30. Are we gonna have enough time?
Yeah, we're just gonna go and come back. It's like an hour.
So we're going to Tashkent, right?
Yeah.
I'll put the location. We're back on the highway. We're heading to Tashkent. We're 10 minutes away. We're gonna pick up the meat. Hopefully we have more than enough time to get the meat and bring it back to Larry's house and season it and stuff before I have to go out and pick up Pavel. So hopefully we do everything on time and hopefully we don't miss the main fight. Pavel talking about he's already here. The problem with him is he's the biggest bullshitter I know, so I'm not sure if he's lying. I'm really hungry. I haven't had nothing, bro. I had breakfast, but I didn't have lunch.
I like the steak I dropped.
This is how this man treats his guests.
Steak?
I told him to cater me some food.
Oh, he's too good for steak now. Okay.
Let's just go. You wanna make the wings like first?
Yeah. Okay, that's what.
Okay, we were on the way to Larry's house. The plan was I was gonna go and drop Larry off, and then they could all marinate the meat for me. But Pavel called me. Pavel called me saying he's here. So right now I have to change route. Now we're on the way to the airport. We're gonna pick him up, and the gang is gonna be together, and we're gonna season and put the meat on the grill. Let's go. The airport right now. Larry, call him. Pick up B, JFK Terminal 7.
No.
Terminal 8?
Arrival.
Oh, we've arrived at departure, so the map ball me. But let's get to, how far is that? That's like a minute away. It's a bit farther, so we're here. So we're here at arrivals. We should see Pavel any minute now. Larry, are you excited to see Pavel? It's fine, bro. It's fine. It's fine, bro. Nothing was gonna happen. He wasn't gonna hit me. I know, but it was enough space.
If someone hits you like that.
Do I wait here or?
Right here.
Pavel.
Open the trunk.
Look who's here. Trunk is open for you, gang. What's up? Welcome back to New York without a return offer.
Wait, I don't have a return offer. I'm fucked.
He's back. Now, let's head to Larry's house. It's 10:17. We have more than enough to get back there, and we're gonna put some meat on the grill. And I gotta pee so bad. I'm gonna put the camera away. Right, we're here at Larry's crib. I gotta piss. Put the meat on the grill. Let's go. Where is the grill?
Outside.
Wait, you saw the door handle, bro?
Yeah.
This? Oh.
My thing that I do is like, I want her, but I'm not gonna do it by myself.
Where is the grill? This is the grill. Open it up. Yo, is it drizzling?
No, it's just sometimes it's like foggy here.
Why?
It's like dew.
Are you happy to be back?
No.
Guys, everybody's just depressed, running the mood for no reason.
Foggy and
I stepped on rocks. Oh my. We're trying to get the laptop set up to watch the main event. I can't wait for the main event. I know Islam is gonna not. I don't know. I hope he knocks somebody in round 1, but it's not likely. So I hope he submits him in round 2. Hopefully. You wanna watch the steaks?
Should I?
I mean, it's optional, but you're gonna grill it anyways. You should watch it. Wait. She almost got the choke. And the fight so the main event could start, but I don't have any interest in this co-main event. Oh, she almost had a choke. It's probably gonna be a decision though. Fighting gotta be a lesbian's wet dream. If you were a lesbian, would you like grappling? I can't wait for the wings. I haven't had lunch. The only thing I had was breakfast. I'm so hungry. The wings are done. According to Pavel, it kind of looks dry. I'm not sure. I'll have to try it out for myself and see. I'm so hungry. I don't know if you could tell by my eyes, but I am extremely hungry. Did you have food on the flight? Thank God the woman fight's over. Now the man, Islam Makhachev, this is like one of the worst cards ever. I usually watch every fight in a card, but like on this card, like there wasn't any fight that I was excited about. But I'm really looking forward to the Islam Makhachev fight. I can't wait. This is the year of upset. Every big star fighter is getting beat. But I hope Islam doesn't get beat. If Islam gets beat, we all might jump. We're prepping the seasonings for the steaks. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Fight was so boring. I would have rather watched paint dry. She's not gay. Not every female UFC fighter is gay. Some of them has a husband and kids. I'm gonna try a wing. I don't know. I'm not. If I'm tripping, is that pink? Am I tripping? What? Does that look pink?
Your house is pink in the middle. It's been cooking for 20 minutes.
I might be tripping.
I think it's just the light.
It does taste a bit funky. If I got salmonella and died, then I die. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes kind of raw. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this out. Yeah. It kind of tastes raw. What the fuck? Yeah. Yo, they're trying to fry me out.
Why y'all cooking raw fish?
Poo. I haven't eaten all day. This is the first shit I eat. Larry, you trying to slime me out?
Why?
Tastes so raw.
Why is it raw?
I don't know.
We've been cooking it.
It tastes raw. Try one. Yeah. It has that like the fresh cut chicken taste. Ruin my taste buds.
This looks good.
The one I picked looked cooked too. Does it taste funky?
I don't think so.
I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. It tastes funky to me.
It tastes good.
Maybe he's just hungry. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I was tripping, but
These are crispy.
then try it.
That's cooked.
I don't know. It tastes funky for me. Maybe I just took the wrong one.
I see what you mean.
What? You see what I mean?
I see what you mean.
Yeah, I was gonna go for a second bite, but I'm not going anymore. Yeah, nah.
They're cooked though.
Then why does it taste like raw chicken?
We'll cook what more?
The chicken, the wings.
So it is? That?
Yeah, see, I wasn't tripping.
It's fine, but
I ate it. It was good.
The funky taste is still in my mouth. It's just not fading away. It tastes so weird.
It's just gonna burn up now.
Ugh.
In the meantime,
How does it burn up and it's not cooked?
The main fight is about to start. Ian Garry is walking out. The funky taste of the chicken is still in my mouth. I just hope Islam wins within round 1.
He's not winning.
I hope he wins in round 1. That would be crazy. This steak is on the grill. I hope the steak gets cooked medium rare. Islam's walking out. Let's go. Let's go. Round 1 knockout. Round 1 knockout. Round 1 knockout. Larry, prediction?
Islam.
What round?
3.
Round 3 submission or knockout?
Submission.
Submission. What do you think?
235.
Round 3 submission.
Oh my God, he's just LARPing. I'm not even gonna ask him because he's gay. He doesn't watch fights.
Oh my god.
Let's go, Islam. I think the wings are getting burned. The wings are getting burned. Yo, the wings are getting burned.
Your wings are on fire.
Yo.
I'm pretty sure that's cooked, bro. Get the sauce.
Yeah, I think the wings are finished. There won't be any more funky taste. Larry, bring the laptop here. Oh. Hurry Herb Dean is the referee. Oh no. Oh no, Herb Dean is the referee. Shama won't like this. I fucked up. The steaks are grilling up. I think the chicken wings are burnt. Completely burnt. It looks completely black. Yo, I hope Ian Garry gets knocked out. I don't like this man, bro. Yo, it's like,
Not Dagestan.
that's in Dagestan. You have to protect yourself at all time with Herb Deans here. Let's go. Fire has started. Oh,
Does he in grapple? Or
he's a striker.
Oh, look at his tattoo, bro. He's gay.
Oh, did that head kick land? I didn't see. Oh, get him down. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, he got it. Slide him out. Choke him out. Make him gag. Ian Garry does have good takedown defense. I will say that. He is a hard man to take down. All the wings.
It's burned.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's burned. But there won't be any more funky taste, I'm assuming. They're blaming me now.
My God, it tastes burned.
Hey, at least the funky taste is not there.
It's a different taste.
Burn. I'd rather burn than funky taste, bro. Where we have paper plates. I don't mind it. I think Ian does have a really good shot in this fight. He's a good fighter. So he has a chance. He's hard to take down. I need one more wing. Thank you.
Oh my God, why did they bring them here?
They're being stingy, bro.
Take the burnt ones.
But they're all burnt. Not much action going on. Oh, my onion. The onion still tastes raw. Yeah, I don't think this grill. The bone from the steak. Let's see. It's good. I think the steak was good cooked, bro. Yo, bro. We have BBQ sauce? Oh my God, this man doesn't have BBQ sauce. I love barbecue. I don't think the onions aren't cooked, bro.
Onions are cooked?
They aren't cooked, bro. They still taste raw. Who took them off?
You want to eat inside?
You want it?
Everything is done, right? Pause it.
You can't hold it.
It's not to start.
When the round ends. Ian isn't attempting anything. He's not attempting a punch. He's not attempting anything.
Hey, did you just drink my water?
No, mine's here. That's
Mine was right here.
I moved it here. Why would I take your water away? Ian is really lengthy. Oh! Oh!
Damn.
Oh! Oh!
Damn.
Yo, he's stumbling. He's stumbling. Knock his ass out. Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Is he gonna choke him out? Oh! Oh!
He got the head. He got the hand behind.
No,
He got the
he's
hand
going
behind.
for a triangle.
I know. He got the hand behind.
Oh! Yo! If you would have gotten that knockout, it would have been crazy. Let this round in. We'll take it inside. I haven't eaten all day, and this is what I'm eating. Islam is literally having his way. If one man could hold you down, what could two do? I think we should go back out. I think we should go back out. We should. Let's go out. Larry, Alva wants to go back out.
Alva wants to. He suggested the idea.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, and he's not holding as much.
Yeah, let's go back out. We're back outside. I like it. I like the outside vibe. It's chill. It's a bit chilly.
2 of 6 on his tape.
Just do it. There it is.
Oh!
Corner. This is big because this shows that Islam is slowing down. That
Is
right
it?
there shows
What did I
to me
miss?
that Islam is losing energy.
Yo,
Because
Joe Rogan just be
he's
yapping
in the
bullshit.
maintained position.
You just shut up.
That particular exchange.
Seemed like Damian Maya
What
talked
exchange?
him
What
through
did I
that
miss?
Transition.
Oh, not gonna lie, Islam does look like he's kind of tiring out. Okay, the steak. This would have hit with BBQ sauce. Take a look. Oh. Look.
Huh?
Huh? No, I want CZ. No. CZ. I said CZ. Who said SZ? I said CZ though. I know, but I said CZ.
Okay.
I'm the elected leader. You know, people don't respect the elected leaders anymore. People don't respect the elected leaders anymore. Steak hit. The wings or the wings. Round 5? Is that round 5? Got mine. Let's go. Choke him out. Choke him out. Finish him. If the referees rob Islam.
After 5 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for decision. The judges score the contest 49-46, 49-46, and 48-47 for the winner by unanimous decision. And still.
Yes. And still. Go fight, go fight. Worst card in UFC history, but main fight was okay. Wasn't the best fight I watched, but it was a good fight.
UFC welterweight champion Islam Makhachev.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Peace.